This is a DJPeter Productions.
Hey guys, coming to you with a video. This is a quick project that I just did a couple minutes ago. Real quick, real easy. Fishing rod holder. Okay, because we're going to fishing in a little bit here, and I just have a lot of materials left over that I could do a rod holder or make a rod holder. But what started this project was this mount right here. You see it? Yes, this perfect cute mount right here. This is the mount that started everything. I was kind of postponing this project because I didn't have this mount. Let's see, where is it? Right there. You can see it clamping perfectly on my boat here. So this is the perfect clamp on my mount. Okay, trying to maneuver the camera around it. So this is the one that started everything. I wanted to do it, but I didn't have the right stuff, and we went to X-Man. X-Man is one of my favorite store. Went there, saw these guys, real happy. $2.95 a piece. So only bought two just to try it out, but that's all that I need to start this project. So got that. We're going fishing a little bit here right now. It's almost 2 maybe ish. So the wife gets home in a little bit, around 3:30 to 4. I'm going to load up everything and then we're going fishing. Okay. So this one here, I made it to hold about 8 pole. It's just so that it's not too crowded inside the boat. Dallas, say hi. Yes, you got it right. PVC pipe, free ones in all of my project that I've been doing. Okay, all of the free material. The wood is free. This is free. The only part that's not free are the clamps that I paid for yesterday. Tools that I need, or tools that I use. I made it a little bit more complicated than it was, but it was just real easy. Of course, this is a real easy setup. You need a drill and a saw just to cut it. That's it. And some screws and a screwdriver if you don't have a screwdriver set for your screwdriver. Okay, easy cut. But one thing I learned is if you make it too short, your pole can have a lot of play. And then what I realized is I can turn it down. I made a mistake by cutting it a little bit too short in a sense, with whatever length I have left. Cut it, but instead I put the longer side down, so it gives me a little bit more room to hold the rod in the position that I want. So with this clamp, I can actually move it into multiple places. So let me see if I can set it up here. Alright. Let me see. So I'm going to Bob inside. Wait. Oh, you're trying to get this stuff? I don't know. No. I have no idea what's doing. So I can literally just take this off and it'll just come right out. Okay. And if I want to, I can just store it somewhere, like in the garage. If I don't want to take individual rods out, I can put it in the garage and then just take this with me and put it in the truck. So you see, it's very lightweight, very easy to move. The clamp here, let's move closer to the clamp. So the clamp are just like that. Okay, just a little C clamp, but it has a flat base with 4 holes for screwing. So I can move this anywhere around the boat that I want. Usually I need it for me because I carry more than one pole. Back here. Lock it back in place. So that's it for you for today for the demo. We're going to the lake, and then I'll do another video and probably put it together or give you a link somewhere around. Okay? Peace, have fun, always enjoy outdoor. Okay, so at the lake right now, testing it out. So far, so good. Been holding it. I went full speed and it holds pretty well. So we're at the lake. We will try, see how it goes. We'll go. Where's Pakunim? Over there? That means they just came out of there. Porter is enjoying it with us. Oh, and Stella and Calista are by the beach with being two boys over there somewhere. So we'll do more video later, but so far so good. 10-10 going top speed and all the poles are fine. See ya, have fun.